Hello, children. Hope all are fine and healthy. Myself, Kokila Bhatia, teaching maths for standard 7th in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, welcome you all. Let's continue with lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. In the last session, we had discussed about least common multiple. Can anybody tell me what do you mean by least common multiple? Yes, the least common multiple of the given number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given number. So today let us go with practice set 13. The first question of practice set 13 is to find the LCM. Now you know how to find the LCM. The first sum is 12 and 15. Now we will do it in a vertical arrangement, taking both the numbers together. And for this you have to know the test of divisibility. Now 12 and 15. Now 12 is divisible by 2 but 15 is not divisible by 2. So you will write 15 as it is, and for 12 you will write 2, 6 are 12. Now you will take 6 and 15. Now 6 is divisible by 2 but 15 is not divisible by 2. So you will write 2 3s are 6 and 15 you will write as it is. Now 3 and 15. Now 3 and 15 is divisible by 3. So you write 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is divisible by 5. So 5 you will write 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So the LCM of 12 and 15 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 60. Second sum. Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 10. Again, here also we will do it in a vertical arrangement, writing all the numbers together and then using the test of divisibility to find the prime numbers that divides all the numbers. So we'll write 6, 8 and 10. Now 6, 8 and 10 is divisible by 2. So you'll write 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. Now here 3 is not divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 2. 5 is also not divisible by 2. So you will take 2 as, and you will write 3 as it is. Now for 4 you will write 2 2s are 4. 5 you will write as it is. Again there is 2 there. So you will write 2 1s are 2. 3 you are going to write as it is. 5 you are going to write it as it is. And then 3. 3 is divisible by 3 but 5 is not divisible by 3. So you will write 5 as it is, and for 3 you are going to write 3 1s are 3. Now what is left? 5 is left. So 5 1s are 5. Therefore LCM of 6, 8 and 10 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 120. Now the third sum. Find the LCM of 18 and 32. So 18 and 32 is divisible by 2. So you write 2 9s are, 2 16s are. Then 9 and 16. 16 is divisible by 2. You will write 9 as it is. So 2 8s are 16. Again 8 is divisible by 2 but 9 is not divisible by 2. So 9 you will write as it is. So you will write 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is divisible by 2. But 9 is not divisible by 2. Again you will write 9 as it is. So you will write 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is divisible by 2 but 9 is not divisible by 2. So you will write 9 as it is. 2 1s are 2. Then you will see 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So you will write 3 3s are 9, and 1 you will write as it is. Again 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3. Therefore LCM of 18 and 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 258. Fourth sum. Find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. Now 10, 15 and 20 is divisible. 10 and 20 is divisible by 2 but 15 is not divisible by 2. So you will write 15 as it is, and for 10 you will write 2 5s are, and for 20 you will write 2 10s are 20. Now 5, 15, 10. Now 5, 15, 10 is divisible by 5. So you will write 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Now 3. 3 is divisible by 3 but 2 is not divisible by 3. So you will write 3 ones are 3 and 2 you will write as it is. Then 2 is left. So 2 ones are 2. So LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 2 into 5 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 60. The fifth sum. Find the LCM of 45 and 86. Now here children, as 45 and 86 are co-prime numbers, that means 45 and 86 are not divisible by the same number. So they are co-prime numbers. So therefore LCM of 45 and 86 is 45 into 86, which is equal to 3870. Now the sixth sum. Find the LCM of 15, 30 and 90. Now here 30 and 90 is divisible by 2, but 15 is not divisible by 2. So you will write 15 as it is. Then 2 15s are 30 and 2 45s are 90. Then 15, 15, 45. That is divisible by 3. So you will write 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 3 15s are 45. Now 5, 5, 15. 5, 5, 15 is divisible by 5. So you write 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. Now left is 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. So you write 3 1s are 3. Therefore LCM of 15, 30 and 90 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 3, which is equal to 90. The seventh sum. Find the LCM of 105 and 195. Now 105 and 195 is divisible by 3. So 3 35s are 105 and 3 65s are 195. Now 35 and 65 is divisible by 5. So you write 5 7s are 35, 5 13s are 65. Now 7 and 13. So 7 is divisible by 7. So you write 7 1s are 7, 13 you will write as it is. Then 13 is divisible by 13. So you write 13 1s are 13. Therefore LCM of 105 and 195 is 3 into 5 into 7 into 13, which is equal to 1365. Eighth sum. Find the LCM of 12, 15 and 45. Now here children, 12 is divisible by 2, but 15 and 45 is not divisible by 2. So 15 and 45 you will write as it is. And for 12 you will write 2 6 are 12. And then 6, 15, 45. Then again 6 is divisible by 2, but 15 and 45 is not divisible by 2. So again you will write 15 and 45 as it is. And for 6 you will write 2 3s are 6. Then it is 3, 15, 45. Now this 3, 15 and 45 is divisible by 3. So you write 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 15s are 45. Now left is 5 and 15. So 5 and 15, 5 is divisible by 5, but 15 is divisible by 3. So you write 3, you will write 5 as it is, and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 5. So 5 5 is divisible by 5. So you write 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Therefore LCM of 12, 15 and 45 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, which is 180. The ninth sum, that is 63 and 81. Now 63 and 81 is divisible by 3. So you will write 3 21s are 63 and 3 27s are 81. Now 21 and 27 is also divisible by 3. So you write 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27. Now 7 and 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 7 is not divisible by 3. So you write 7 as it is. And for 9 you will write 3 3s are 9. Again 3 is divisible by 3 and 7 is not divisible by 3. So you write 7 as it is, and for 3 you write 3 1s are 3. Now left over is 7. So 7 is divisible by 7. So 7 1s are 7. Therefore LCM of 63 and 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7, which is equal to 567. The last sum of question number 1 of practice set 13. Find the LCM of 18, 36, 27. Now 18, 36 and 27 is divisible by 3. So you write 3 6 are 18, 3 12s are 36, 3 9s are 27. Now 6, 12 and 9 is also divisible by 3. So you write 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now 2 and 4 is not divisible by 3. So only 3 is divisible by 3. So you will write 2 as it is, 4 as it is, and 3 ones are 3. Now 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. So you will write 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now left is 2. So 2 is divisible by 2. So you write 2 ones are 2. Therefore LCM of 18, 36 and 27 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 108. Children, I'll continue with question number 2 of practice set 13 in my next session. Thank you and God bless.